So shooters and reloaders, we're going to talk about the Lee Factory Crimp Die again, and the reason why is because it really does save the bacon. It saves our day, relieves a lot of frustration for us when we have problems with ammo that doesn't chamber. And it's not expensive. I mean, where else can you buy a carbide insert for what this die costs? And it also is included in the 4 die Lee sets. It's part of the die sets. So for about $10, $15 or so, depending on how you buy this die, it's a real good investment. Even if you don't use them that often. When you need them badly. Let's show you another example of how this die was very handy. Even though it doesn't crimp the 38 short Colt, it won't reach. And Lee doesn't make a Lee Factory Crimp Die in 38 short Colt. However, it's still useful, as you will see. So, shooters and reloaders out there, here are some of our 38 short Colt rounds getting ready to go to range, right? And here's our Black Hawk 357 cylinder that those 38 short Colts will go right into, right? Like this. That's what we expect, right? But then what happens when this happens? 4 out of 25 will not chamber. So we loaded up 25 rounds and we got 4 of them that if we tried to push those in, we wouldn't be able to get them out. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Well, the answer is the 38 caliber Lee Factory Crimp Die. We put it into the press so that it contacts the shell holder at the top of the stroke. Now you know that this die will not reach the 38 short Colt to crimp it. But it will sure remove any interfering bulges that will stop functioning and the ammo going into the chamber. So, here are the 4 that won't chamber. We'll just take those out, put them into the palm of our hand, and then we'll just run those through. Now we're going to feel how much interference. Now see, there's really not that much interfering, but it's enough to stop the functioning. So there's 1. There's 2. So you see, it's not wholesale resizing that's happening. It's just getting rid of some bulges. And that's why you see there's no bullet pull out. There's no loss of neck tension. And this is why we really like the Lee Factory Crimp Die. Now let's just go ahead and put those into our cylinder. There's no need to check those because you could hear them going. And when you turn it over, all 6 just drop out. That's why we love the Lee Factory Crimp Die. So shooters and reloaders out there, you know how golfers like to hear the ball fall into the cup? Well, here's music. How's that sound to you? Bye for now.